Hey everybody, so this is the inspiration for today's nails. Follow her on Instagram. I actually found the picture on where did I find the picture? On Pinterest, but it had her, watermark. So I started following her on Instagram. Her nails are bomb. But I had seen several pictures like this, but I ordered the little moons and stars, and I had been wanting to use them on something. I got them a long time ago on AliExpress, but y'all keep hearing me talk about AliExpress. My stuff is missing. But I think I'm using what tips are those? I think those are just some short stiletto tips. I don't think I cut them or anything. I don't think so. I did this a little while ago. I need to start doing what do you call it? The voiceovers like right after I like do the videos, because I'd be like, what did I do? Um I believe I'm just using some Jules nails or something like that. That acrylic, but I'm trying to keep the acrylic as thin as I can because these little decals are very thick, and like in order to encapsulate, it's a little difficult to not make the nail too thick. So I'm trying to put on, just kind of putting the color on there however you want, just to like merge them together. Do like a ombre or just swirl them together just to like get that color on there. I think I did like basically like ombre. Put down the pink and then purple or whatever color you want to do them as. I have not put these on my real nails yet. I do want to try it one day. I don't know when. Oh yeah, that's what I use. Orchid by Jules, and then that's the pink by Nails by Glamour. Bubblegum. Bubblegum. I forgot I had that. And yeah. And I actually mixed the bubblegum, I think, with clear. I think that's what I had there. And then I had this glitter that I just got from some chick on Facebook that, makes acrylics. And I added that in there too to add some dimension. And I'm just, adding the color. I really try my hardest not to make this part thick, because you just want to put the color down, because then you're going to put the decals, and then you're going to put the curlier acrylic on top, and these decals are like too thick. I don't know. I wish they were like thinner and flatter, but they're not. Well, some of them are pretty small, like the tiny stars, but I couldn't really get it the way that I wanted to. Oh, and I used the foil. Girl, too much. Too much. You could probably leave the foil out. Like, honestly, I might, if I do this on my real nails, I would have to leave out some things because it was too much to try and encapsulate. Um, but yeah, I don't remember when this was. I think it was like on a weekend. I was doing a lot of different nail designs that weekend, and I was up just all night playing in nails, which is, what I love to do. Um, but I did see other pictures on Pinterest with these little decals, and I don't know if I want to do it with these colors, because if y'all saw my channel, I use these almost same exact colors in my unicorn nails. So I don't know. I might use them on this little glitter I got from the lady on Facebook. Um, but I don't know if I want to do that, or some people actually made it look like a night sky with like blue and dark purple. Or what else did I see? I saw a lot of different designs that people use with these type of decals. So, you know, before I use it on my nails, I don't know what I'm gonna do on my nails though. But they're there. I need to use them. Oh, and that's a little foil leaf that I got. That's where I got it from Michael's. That's the brand. Um, like I said, too much, too much. I probably didn't need the foil. Probably could. I probably didn't need the glitter either. Just I was trying to like, do the picture kinda sorta, but it was just too much. Like, and maybe the nails are too short too, because they're already short, so you don't want to make them super thick. But it was too much, and I'm over there breaking up the foil. If I look funny, just putting the foil on there, and then randomly, yeah. Now I'm looking at it, it was too much. I'm still gonna post the video. I'm borderline not wanting to post the video because It's a lot. It's a little much. But I might do an update, and if I do use them on my nails, see how I use them. But that's the only thing about using so much. Like, your nail can only be so thick. Like, oh no. Am I? I think I'm breaking up some more. Oh no. There's the little charms I had picked out. I tried to pick out the least because I actually had did this before to practice before I, filmed it. Oh, there's some glue. I think that was before I got my gel resin. The one from Sally's that I love so much. I need to go get some more because I got a $5 gift. What do you call it? Coupon at Sally's. You know when you spend so much. Which I should have got one a long time ago because I used to go there a lot, but I think I have two different accounts under two different numbers. I'm always changing my number, so I think that's why I was going back and forth between the accounts and wasn't getting all my points. But I already know what my little $5 gift card or whatever gift certificate. I'm gonna use that gel resin, that IBD gel resin that I use in like every video now, because it's like it is tiny, but the way the bottle's set up, it's not gonna get stuck. It doesn't dry out like that, so it's actually worth it more because it is small, but it's not gonna dry out. I had like really big bottles of gel resin, and they dried out, and they were more expensive. So it's better to have a smaller bottle, and. Oh, and I have another bottle too of the gel resin. I haven't tried that one either. I was playing with the gel resin because I use it all the time for stones or for like this to stick it on there. I just put some glue on and stick it. And also, I tried to put them in the middle of the nail, not like at the tip, because then the tip is going to be really thick. I tried to focus it at the top or the bottom. I probably should have put like the foil on the bottom. I don't know. This whole thing wasn't really thought out that well. I was just kind of getting jiggy with it. I was just trying to figure out what to do. Um, yeah, I guess that's all I put on there. But I got that from Amazon, the little, what do you call it? The little decal things. I just got it from Amazon. They have them on AliExpress, but I don't trust them right now. And then you just cover it with clear acrylic. And it was hard to make sure everything got encapsulated because literally I don't do super thick nails, especially when they're that length. There's no need for them to be that thick. Then they look like bubbles on your fingers. I don't know. But I think when I filed, one of them did kind of peek through the acrylic a little bit. But if it's just a little bit, it's okay. Like a tiny little bit. Once you put top coat on there, you probably won't even notice. But I don't know. I'll have to play with it some more. See how I would use it on my nails. But that's the perk of, playing on these little fingers to see how it will look on your nail without messing up your nails. That's what I tell everyone. The first step in doing nails. Don't practice on your nails. Don't practice on someone else's nails. Practice on one of these inanimate, is that how you call it? One of these inanimate objects, okay, that don't care what their nails look like. Because you will be so discouraged and upset if you practice on your nails. Let's say they look ugly. Now you can't take them off. Or let's say they look cute, but they keep popping off. You know what I mean? Like, just so you don't get discouraged, just practice on something like this. Or a different, the little fingers. Just practice on something else, not yourself. That is like my number one advice. I'm really just trying to get this voiceover over with because my next video I'm gonna do is it's gonna be at my actual hand. I'm doing my nails. Well, I did them. Past tense, I did them, but I have to do the voiceover for it, and it's gonna be so cute. Y'all better check it out. I'm thinking I'm gonna post it right after this. Cause yeah. Probably if you're seeing this. Next is going to be the one for my nails. And they are so cute. I want to toot my own horn, but my nails are cute, girl. And I'm still encapsulating. I've gotten so lazy with editing. I just speed it up. I need to like cut some parts out because do y'all really need to see it all? You see it on one nail, you seen it on them all, but I don't know. And that brush is my Zulay number 16, which is a pretty small 16. But lately I've been using my actual 16, like the big 16. I've been using that a lot lately. Just to get bigger beads for longer nails. But also, do y'all use odorless nail liquid? Because if you do, let me know a good one. I use either the Sherry one, which is so hard to find. If it's not on Amazon, it's really hard to find. Or Supply Beauty Glamour. They have an odorless one as well. And I just saw online one by Koopa or Koopa, something like that. I haven't tried it yet though, but I saw that they have odorless. And then there was this one on Instagram because Getting Out 32 had posted a little poll like asking the best odorless nail monomers, and people were saying it's like Cranix or Cryix. But I added them on Instagram because it showed I think this Friday they're supposed to be releasing some more because they're out of stock now. And the reviews sound really good. They're like, oh, it smells so great. I mean, I'm used to odorless and how it works because it does get sticky. It does set really slowly. Y'all, I'm to the point, and I went ahead and filed and everything. So now I'm just going to put the top coat by Zulay. But I'm to the point where I wish I could just use regular nail liquid or fast speed because I'd be sitting there forever messing with them watery beads. Trying to get it to set faster. I'd be ready to be done. It's like good at the beginning when you're practicing and stuff, but nowadays I'm just like, yo, I'm ready to be done. I know where I want it to be and it won't stay there because it's taking forever to set. But I feel like that just comes with low odor or, odorless. You just have to roll with the punches if you don't want the smell. Don't be in a hurry, I guess. And yeah, this set is pretty easy. No stones or anything, just top coat. Just top coat it. Just keep top coating. Just speed this up because I feel like it's taking off. Yeah, it's sped up. But yeah, I'm just, I don't know, trying to figure out what monomer I want to use. And there we go. So there's the little stars, the little moons, the little whatever things, the foil, all that cute, right? Yeah. I don't know if I'm going to do that on my nails or y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Okay.